So I just remembered about the idea of when you're talking to people, you're literally creating sounds, right? And now getting bothered and being so caught up with the way you're doing it is just crazy. Trying to do it how people expect it from you.
The next stop is
Like, how the fuck are you gonna expect certain sounds from me? What the fuck? Like, we all make them differently, and despite, you know, even if you're speaking the same language, it's different. It's unique. You know, you have the different accents. It's completely different. So it's what you dictate it to be. Also, remembering the importance of enjoying myself, having fun myself when I'm in an interaction, something like that. It's about having fun, you know. I'm here to enjoy, have fun. If I'm enjoying myself, then very easy for the other person also to enjoy. That's the main thing.